Hello everyone and welcome to AuditOne's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at the Static Analyzer tool, a tool designed for auditors so that they would not have to start an audit from scratch and help them find the most common recurring issues in smart contracts. The tool allows auditors to run real-time analysis on on-chain contracts and receive comprehensive reports. So, without further ado, let's dive deep into the platform and explore this function. So here we are in the Auditor dashboard, and in order to access the Static Analyzer tool, you need to click on Tools, and then here you can find the Static Analyzer tool. After clicking on Try Now, you would be presented with this screen where you can select the chain which you want to run the analysis on. I'm going to select Ethereum, and this is only for testing purposes. Therefore, I'm going to paste in the contract address of Chainlink. Here is the token contract, copy it, paste it here, and then we click on Run. After a couple of seconds, we should have the report. Alright, so here's the report, and here you can see a high-level view of the issues, and in order to see a more detailed report, you can click on Scan and Reference URL and see the whole report. Here you can see the details of the report, and you can also view the whole thing in a PDF. So that's it for the Static Analyzer tool. Thank you for sticking around until the end of this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy holidays and goodbye.